So yesterday I posted a video on how only one normal edit his reaction video, and this person commented this. I do the same video, and still I'm not having views and like at all. So this is the reason why most of the things that works for other creators are not working for you. The reason is that your focus is always on the things that doesn't matter. When you try whatever other people are doing, instead of you focusing on staying consistent and doing that thing until you become successful, you always put your gaze and focus on the things that doesn't matter. And this person actually is saying that, yeah, I do the same thing this guy is doing, but I'm not getting views. He does not know the kind of work this person actually put in that craft before he went viral, and now everybody is watching his video. If you start whatever any other person is doing, all right, you don't expect to just blow up immediately. Even though some people actually get logged, they might post their first video and the algorithm will pick up that video and boom. But that's like 1% out of 100%. It's not like that for everyone else. When you start creating content, what you should have in your mind is that this thing I'm about to do, right, is not something I will just get in immediately and start reaping immediately. I have to sow some seed, because immediately you start, algorithm is going to mess you up. You might post video and you start getting 1 view, 2 views. Sometimes you might even post video and you won't even get any view. So no matter what happens, you just need to understand that you need to build, you need to lay foundation. You don't need to keep on posting and posting and posting and posting. So far you are doing it right, and you are following all the policy, and you are doing everything right in order to get people to watch your video. You are using a nice hook to attract them. You are doing everything perfectly well. Just keep on doing it. One day algorithm is going to remember you. All this while that you have been posting that you are not getting the view that you expected, algorithm is analyzing and looking at your content to know the kind of people that will consume it. What algorithm is doing right here is that algorithm is gambling. Algorithm is throwing it to different people, and when you throw it to this kind of people and they are not understanding, they are not watching it, algorithm will put it to other people, and when they throw it to another category of people and they are not watching it, that's how algorithm keep trying your content until it get to the right people. All right, sometimes like people that actually watching that only one normal might not even like yours when they come across yours, but there are people that are designed for you. So that's why it's important when you start creating content, do not look at the views, do not look at the like, just keep on posting. There is a particular audience for you, and one day you are going to meet those audience. It might even be a video that you made that you didn't even take serious, and that video will just pick up immediately and go viral. And due to, because you've already prepared, you've already laid the foundation, that's how you are going to remain relevant for a very long time. But immediately you start and boom, you go viral. You went viral without understanding the business. You went viral without understanding how things work. You will not last there, because you might even post one video and you go viral, you start posting another one and they won't go viral, and in the process of you trying to figure out another one that will go viral, you might even be drained. You understand? So when you start, just exercise patience, you are going to get there, right? So this guy that commented this, so far you are editing this video right the same way the guy do it, and you are putting more value and trying to make it interesting or trying to make it funny, right? Just keep on doing it. One day algorithm is going to remember you, and by that time you're already prepared and waiting for it, right? So just keep on doing what you're doing, bro. Guys, if you're looking for a website to buy followers, like, comments, shares, and other social media services, either on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, everywhere, come to this website called growbeta.net. Right here, the link is in the description. Just tap on the link, it will take you to the website. All you need to do is to just come create an account. Just come to the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come right here, create a username, come right here, put your email, and come right here, create a password, confirm your password right here, and click on the sign up, and your account is going to be created. So after you created your account, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. If you want to buy followers or like or everything, just come to this category and come and select the particular one you want. If it's followers that you want, you just come select followers. If it's likes you want, if it's comment, whatever you want, just come select it. Come to the service, select the preferable service you want, and read the description, and come right here, paste your link. If it's likes or views or comments you want, use your post link right here. If it's followers, use your profile link right here, and come to this quantity right here, put the amount of followers you want, or likes, amount of like, or whatever you want, and come and click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Tap on it, and your order is going to be taken. And if you want to fund account in this platform, it's very easy. Just come to these three dots right here. Can you see this three dots? Tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it and tap on it. Come to these dots right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it. You will see two payment options right here. Either use Quora Pay or you use manual. Any of them. And this is exactly how to use the website. The link is in the description. Tap on it to take you to the website.